Ladies and gentlemen, once again, one of the most exciting times in our country is that of our focus around our people. As we come into Grand Dance for your first year, we'd like to welcome our Eagle Staff carriers, our flag bearers, ladies and gentlemen, and of course, alongside we have our veterans with us, widows, and those veterans as well, and of course, ladies and gentlemen, our leadership as they come into the dancing area, and of course, our committee members, and of course, we have our functioning dancers, and all those young people, ladies and gentlemen, that represent their communities, their chief council, that represent their house celebration. Let's bring up on this side our royalty as they come to the dance floor. Come and dance, yes, sir, come and dance. Oh, guys, now time. 2024 right here. And fine dance celebration. Who's your let's make welcome to Grandmother Lupao as they come into the dancing area. That's what they are our teachers, ladies and gentlemen. They are the keepers of our campfires. Yeah, beautiful. Welcome, grandmothers. And now we got the famous categories making their way in up this side. Welcome, follow their boys. That's your style. This is what they're talking about. This is why we celebrate. We celebrate life. We celebrate goodness within here, within this area. And then get our connection, ladies and gentlemen, as well. Making a connection with one another. Bringing families together. Sometimes we never see one another for a long time. The families come home to celebrate with you here at the sun. Come on in, women dancers, come on in. Welcome. Looking good, dancers, looking good. Let's put it here once again. Who's your mom? All our dancers are now in the dancing area. Oh, God. Hey, God. We'd like to say thank you to all of you for coming in, bringing your smile and welcome here this evening. Mercy Jackson for being